Find your way to a comfortable seat. Great. Bring your hands together. Feel your thumbs at your breastbone. Lift your heart up towards your hands. Let your shoulders soften behind you. Close your eyes and just take a couple of breaths here. If you would like to dedicate your class to someone, now's a great time to think of them. Place an image of them before you, healthy and smiling and alive. And let's sound 3 ohms. Empty your breath first, and then take a deep inhale. And relax your hands down. And we're going to do some Pawanmuktasana. Huh? Um, so I just think it's a nice little thing to do, especially when we're hectic and a little maybe even dysregulated. This is a way to get the energy going all through you. And anybody can do it who's listening if they feel like it. You sit like this, and first thing you try to do is just wiggle your toes. Now, you probably want to point your toes and flex your feet and point your toes. Instead, see if you can just move your toes. Don't point your toes. Don't flex them. Just wiggle. It takes a surprising amount of concentration. Unless you're a pro. Some of us have been doing this for like 10 years. Okay. Trying. Now, point and flex and point and flex. And we do about like 10 repetitions of everything. So this Pawanmuktasana series is a series of waking up your meridians, essentially. Maybe 2 more points and flex. Beautiful. And then make circles with your ankles. Notice what your face is doing. Are you looking really serious? And then make your circles go in the other direction. And then see if you can make your circles go opposite from each other. And then the opposite way in the opposite direction of opposite to each other. Beautiful. About 2 more little whoop, whoop. Nice. And now, just for fun, see if you can make your toes into little fists and then spread out your toes and curl in your toes and spread out your toes. If you hear the snap, crackle, pop of your joints, It's usually just fixation releasing. Beautiful. All right, you can stay with your arm just rotating so you can see me better. We're going to start with the right side, and I like to bend my left leg and pull my heel closer, and then hold my right thigh, and like notice like your thigh's not doing anything. You're not working with your leg, you're just holding it. And then see if you can stretch your leg up, and then see if you can pull your heel towards your butt. And you're not going to be able to unless I don't understand the physics. But most likely stretch up and then pull your heel in. Stretch up, pull your heel in. It doesn't matter. You can point or flex. You can play with that, which one you like better. Do the different ways. It's like the dramatic version of kicking. And let's do 3 more. Keep your heart lifted. Ta-da! And then just shake out your leg and switch sides. First, start by bringing your hands underneath. And now if you're really type A, you can switch your grip. And then point your foot, stretch your leg up, keep your chest lifted, pull your heel towards your buttocks. 9, 8, 7, 6, 4. Like you really want to squeeze it in. 2, 2, and 1. It's not a very exact science. We all have a different way of doing it. Okay, shake it out. Oh, this is a good. Shake out your legs. Oh, yeah. Very beautiful. Now, bring the bottoms of your feet together. And you're going to throw your knees down to the ground. Now, if your knees are already on the ground, you can pull your heels closer. Exactly. Now, if you're really tight, you can also put your feet a little further away. I always think that if we do this fast enough, we'll start to hover. And then release. Now just come into an easy seat. And we're going to do what we did with our legs, with our arms. So point. Stretch your base of your palms out, like you're pushing 2 walls out. Beautiful. And then pull your fingers towards your wrists and pull your fingers back towards your wrists. You're beautiful. So I always feel a little bit like I'm Karate Kid for a moment, but mostly these days that shows you how old I am. Keep pushing and put effort into it, like you can make those walls separate and then pull in for 3, 2, and 1, and then shake out. Now, just flash your fingers like you're telling someone to turn on their lights. What's funny right now is I'm wearing these Sami rings, which are the indigenous people of northern Sweden. And they have little rings on them, so it actually sounds like little bells when I do this. Very little. Okay, shake out your hands. Now bring your elbows in, wrap your thumbs, and make your wrists go in different circles. My hands are still ringing. I'm going to show you actually. So those are my rings. And then shake it out. Whew, okay. Take your arms long again and palms facing up, makes like fists. And then pull your hands to your shoulders and stretch them out like you're making fun of people who lift weights. Okay, not making fun, mimicking them. Now pretend that the weight is really, 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 really hard to lift. Oh, try it again. Put it down slowly. And oh, that's so much work. Okay, see, like now all of a sudden, notice how strong you are, how easy it is. Oh my goodness. And then find that magical place in between, that Goldilocks special for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then just shake it out. Now, let's see. Take your fingers in front of your shoulders and your thumbs behind, and see if you can bring your elbows to touch in front of you. And then see if you can touch your elbows behind you. So, success, failure, success, failure. Just feel that you're reaching. You can't quite reach them, but the effort is what actually is the reward. You can also think that you're making some eurythmy L's with your elbows. La 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 la. Keep your heart lifted. Now switch directions. Beautiful. It's amazing how much movement we have in our body. And then just shake it out. Now, before we do our duck walking, we are going to do the little Kundalini twists. So just for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Okay, now we're going to tie it all together. So if this is your first time trying it, you can just see if you can come onto your toes, and then notice if you can walk down the length of your yoga mat, keeping your hips, as in your butt, close to your heels. Perfect. Now, if that's easy for you, you can drop one knee down as you go forward, alternating knees. Beautiful. Now, if that's still easy, add the wings. Keep walking up and down, or you can walk around your yoga mat. You can circumambulate the yoga mat for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then come down to your butt. Well done. And just for a moment, just lie down. Take a full inhale and exhale. Breathe it outside out. Just take a couple moments lying on your back. You can stay there. Du kannst da bleiben. Just feel the tingling. Notice how you can feel probably the energy throughout your whole body. Feel the connection.